What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to customize always on display in Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on lock screen. Now in lock screen, scroll down and click on always on display, or you can open this settings from by tapping on wallpapers and then click on always on display. Now here you will see a always on display button on the top. So to use always on display, turn on this button, and after that you can customize the always on display. So if you want to use this screen on always on display, then you can edit the screen. So here enter the code that you want to use, then you can change the color of the code, you can change the alignment, you can increase or decrease the text size, you can increase or decrease the bold, and there are a lot of other settings that you can customize. So after customizing all settings, tap on apply, and then the always on display will be applied. So that's how you can customize the always on display in Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.